Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. It really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description. It'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolutely perfect for your pool. If you have a lot of trees and you get a ton of leaves floating on the surface and those skimmers just get super full. And that is because it is a skimmer robot. This thing is really cool and it lasts a long time. So this was sent over by a company called iHomey. Naturally, you are going to get a little instruction manual here that tells you all about it. We're covering all the features right here in the video. Now you're also gonna get this little hook thing. This is what's gonna attach to your pool sweeper if you ever need to fish it out of the water. However, because it floats on the top of the water, it's pretty easy to grab, but this is helpful if it ends up floating in the middle of the pool. Now you are going to get a little charger here. This is gonna allow you to charge up the battery. This does have a 5,000 mAh battery, which will allow it to run for approximately 20 hours continuously. However, it can run a lot longer because it has a massive solar panel built right here on the top of it. So this can literally run multiple days just floating around on top of your pool and getting up all those leaves, debris, sticks, all that kind of stuff that floats up there at the top, which is really nice. However, if you have a lot of cloudy days, you can always manually charge it as well, which is really nice. Now you are gonna get a little bag here, and it's got a couple spare ones of these little white stick things. That is basically the support. That's the only thing you're gonna have to do as far as assembly with this guy. And as you can see, it's the little feet that raises this off the ground. They just screw in with a standard little screwdriver. Comes with everything you need. But yeah, it just protects essentially the underside, including the little basket and kind of the coils and motors, so those aren't resting on the ground. And then finally, you're gonna have several ways to control this. You can just put it in your pool and let it do its thing. However, if you wanna have a fun with it, maybe get the kids excited about cleaning the pool, it comes with a little joystick here, and you can actually control where this thing goes. You can also do that via the app if you wanna go ahead and utilize the app as another feature. It's up to you. If you don't wanna mess with the app, you don't need to do the app. You can just use the remote control or just put it in the water and let it do its thing. So multiple ways to control it. So how does this thing all work? This thing has a mix of essentially ultrasonic radars, and that's what's gonna allow it to know the edges of the pool. You're also gonna notice it has wheels here on the ends, on all four corners. So that way, when it does get to the end of the pool, it's basically gonna wheel along it and make sure it can gather up all that debris. And then it's gonna have two little twin motors right here on the back, and you'll see they're just little standard propellers. And essentially how it turns is one will move a little bit faster than the other. Also on the back, you're gonna notice the switch. There's gonna be a normal mode and a sport mode. Basically the big difference with those is the sport mode is gonna go a little bit more faster and things like that. I typically just leave it on the normal mode because it makes the battery last a little bit longer. Then you're gonna have the little red cover here. That's where you manually charge this up. Make sure this is on nice and tight before you put it in the water because you don't want water to get into the electronic components. Now up here on the top, like I said, you see the massive solar panel here, and then you're gonna have a bunch of lights down here on the bottom. That's gonna show you when it's charging, whether it's activated the solar panel, and then your different modes of normal and sport. It also has a nice little view window, which is gonna give you an idea how full the basket is. The basket is quite large, so it can hold on to a lot of sticks. And how you're gonna access the basket is you're simply going to pull basically forward on it and just pull it straight out, and it kind of just slides up. It's easier to do this when you're holding it. But yeah, so you got a nice size basket here. To give you an idea, it's about 7 inches by 10.5 inches by 3.5 inches. Nice, got a filter on it so it can gather up all the little hair and whatnot. There is a little clip on the back, so it makes it easy to open this up and then dump out all the leaves, rinse it off with a standard hose. You're also gonna notice there's like a little clear puck here in the center. This allows you to go ahead and put a single single chlorine tablet in here. So let's say you are opening your pool for the season and you want to add a little extra chlorine, you can go ahead and put that in there, and as it's moving around, it's going to distribute that chlorine a little bit faster than just one of those floaters. I don't really use it a ton, but it's a nice little feature that it has. Now also, the cleaner itself, as you can see, is a nice large, but it is quite light. So if you have trouble carrying things, no worries. It has a big handle on here and you can easily carry it around. It's not very, very heavy at all. Give you an idea of the size, it's about 7.5 inches wide. It's about 21.5 inches kind of long and about 9 inches in height. And like I said, it's just gonna float there on the water, and essentially the white little stand is what's gonna be underneath it. Now you will notice on the back side, it's got a nice large little propeller part on the back, which is gonna be what's kind of also helping gather up those leaves as well. So very, very useful as far as not only moving, but also that propeller being able to gather the stick, hair, debris, and most importantly, leaves that are floating on the surface of your pool. But it's gonna make pool cleaning a lot easier, especially like I said, if you get a lot of debris floating on your pool, this thing is just gonna be another element to help you make sure your pool is always looking nice and pristine. So if you are in the market and you're looking for a nice pool maintenance idea for yourself or for a gift, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.